IEEE Kerala section witnessed a multiverse of humanitarian activities in the year 2022. Lumen, Lights for Uplifting Mankind, Environment and Nature, is one of its kind epics in IEEE funded project that incorporates theory and practicals in spreading lights for mankind. There was only one common road of 300 meters to reach the village, and a single street light was installed in this path, which makes it difficult for the villagers to travel at night. Lumen project team has formulated a solution to implement a solar off-grid system to power street lamps. And here comes the moment of glory. The whole 10 street lights were lighted up for the first time. It was the moment when all the hard work of the team paid off. Lumen not only lightened the path of Mangalat colony, but it also lightened the heart of the people living there and the team behind it. Diversity Inclusion Project is the IEEE Computer Society funded project aimed at providing digital education and introducing relevant technologies among the diverse group of people. First phase of DIP aimed at training working women of Kerala in computer literacy and Android operations. This was hosted by 3 colleges: NSS College of Engineering Palakkad, CUSAT and Government Engineering College Kozhikode. And the second phase, named Shastra, has been conducted at Kuttamasheri Government Higher Secondary School with the enthusiastic participation of young minds.
Sustainable technology and renewable energy for adaptive management of disasters, Stream D is the Tri-Engineering and STEM funded project of IEEE Education Society Kerala chapter done in collaboration with TKM College of Engineering. Aimed to manufacture 40 solar mobile chargers that can be used for emergency purposes was the prime objective, as the shortage of electricity was identified as of the floods of 2018 in Kerala. On this day, 35 kits were manufactured by the students, and by the end, all 6 schools were given one kit along with the 10-watt solar panel. The rest of the chargers were taken to Ernakulam district to be distributed to the flood-prone children of different schools. Stream D was a successful venture of introducing a technological solution for disaster management. The next project was domestic and drinking reservoir with renewable energy implemented at a region called Baveli at Wayanad. The team during their site camp had identified the problem of lack of clean water for the tribals and proposed a solution for this misfortune. On 23rd December 2022, the team of 25 students and 5 professionals arrived on site for the project execution. On the first day, the works of laying out HDPE pipes for carrying DC wires and the water from the pump, assembling of filter system as trained by the IRTC officials, the making of earthing pit for AC and DC earthing, electrical wiring for street lighting, concreting of solar mounting structure, and digging of land for laying out the PVC pipes carrying water to taps was completed. Grouping into snippets for each task was the best decision, as the works got over in parallel at separate locations on the site. By the evening of 24th, all the works were completed and the pump was submerged under water. On 25th December, the Panchayat President of Tirunelli, Mr. P.V. Balakrishnan, inaugurated the project in the presence of Dr. Mini Ulanath, Chair of IEEE Kerala Section. As for this Kerala section, D2REB was a first of its kind large-scale project done within the short span of 2 working days that received immense appreciation from the local government officials and the residents. In the coming years, under the leadership of IEEE Kerala section volunteers, the section will witness many fruitful humanitarian activities with the brilliance of engineering solutions.